In this video, I'll explain the difference between accounting and bookkeeping. When people refer to accounting in general terms, they're often referring to the process of financial accounting, and this is about summarizing a business's transactions, interpreting them, and then preparing the company's financial statements that are used primarily by external stakeholders to the business: investors, potential investors, tax authorities, etc. Bookkeeping is a subset of financial accounting. It describes the process of recording the business's transactions. So that's the difference between financial accounting and bookkeeping. Financial accounting is about summarizing and interpreting a company's transactions, then preparing financial statements, while bookkeeping describes the part of the process that is about recording the transactions.